Have you ever wondered if there's more to the difference between male and female dogs than meets the eye? Beyond the obvious, our canine companions exhibit fascinating distinctions that shape their personalities, health, and how they interact with the world. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss valuable insights that will help you understand your furry friend even better. These differences aren't just superficial. They delve deep into behavior, health, and even social dynamics. Many owners assume male and female dogs act the same way, but science and experience prove otherwise. Prepare to have some traditional perceptions challenged as we uncover the surprising truths about male and female dogs. It's a journey into canine psychology and biology that might just change how you see your furry friends. Let's dive into the captivating world of canine behavior, where gender plays a surprisingly significant role. From who they bond with to how they navigate territory, male and female dogs often operate on different wavelengths. Understanding these subtle behavioral shifts not only deepens the bond you share, but also helps prevent conflicts, stress, and even misunderstandings in training. Bonding and social interaction. It might surprise you to learn that male dogs often form a stronger, more immediate bond with women than with men. This isn't just anecdotal, it's a pattern observed by many dog behaviorists, and the reasons behind it are intriguing. Men's taller stature, deeper voices, and even facial hair can sometimes appear intimidating to male dogs, triggering a more cautious or even submissive response. In contrast, women generally present a more approachable demeanor, often leading to quicker trust and affection. This doesn't mean male dogs can't love their male owners, but it explains why they sometimes warm up faster to women. This preference extends beyond humans too. Male dogs frequently show a strong affinity for opposite-sex dogs, meaning females. In multi-dog households, this dynamic often leads to a more harmonious environment, as opposite-sex pairs tend to get along significantly better than same-sex pairings. They experience fewer dominance issues and territorial squabbles. Male dogs, while often more dominant and territorial in general, can be surprisingly gentle and protective towards females. In turn, females can be more nurturing and less confrontational, leading to smoother interactions and a more peaceful pack dynamic. This is why many trainers recommend pairing male and female dogs when adopting two at once. It sets the stage for balance. Roaming and territoriality. A behavior predominantly seen in male dogs is roaming. This isn't just casual strolling, it's often driven by a powerful instinct to find mates. Unneutered males especially feel an irresistible urge to explore beyond familiar boundaries, following scents that promise adventure or companionship. Owners of unneutered males often notice their dogs trying to escape yards or pulling harder on walks. It's not disobedience, but biology at work. While natural, this behavior significantly increases risks, making them more prone to fights, getting lost, or accidents like being hit by a car. Another hallmark of male behavior is marking territory. They frequently urinate to leave their scent as a message to other canines. Unneutered males are especially prone to this, often marking every vertical surface they encounter. It's their way of communicating presence and claiming space. Though frustrating for owners, it's essentially their version of leaving a signature behind. Aggression. When discussing aggression, some gender-specific tendencies appear. Studies show male dogs are statistically 6 times more likely to bite than females. This isn't to say all males are aggressive, but there's a predisposition. Much of this stems from a need to assert dominance, particularly in unneutered males whose hormones amplify territorial instincts and competitive drives. Biting can be triggered by threat, anxiety, or defending resources. Recognizing early warning signs such as stiff posture, growling, or guarding toys can help prevent escalation. The good news is that neutering can reduce aggressive tendencies by lowering testosterone, which calms dominance and territoriality. Still, environment and upbringing play a huge role. A well-socialized and trained male dog, neutered or not, can be gentle and loving. This shows that while biology influences behavior, training and care often shape the final outcome. Humping behavior. Humping, often amusing or embarrassing to owners, is a natural canine behavior. It's observed in both sexes, regardless of reproductive status, and isn't always about mating. It can display dominance, serve as stress relief, or release pent-up energy. A dog might hump a toy or another dog when overstimulated or overwhelmed. It's important for owners to know that humping doesn't always equal bad behavior. Context matters. While both sexes engage in it, unneutered males hump more frequently. Hormonal drives make them more inclined, whether for mating or as a general outlet. Understanding the context is key to interpreting this behavior. Redirecting energy through play, training, or exercise is often more effective than punishment. Beyond behavior, biological differences have big implications for health and longevity. These factors are crucial for responsible ownership. Knowing them ahead of time can save heartbreak, prevent illness, and help you give your dog the best possible life. Lifespan and neutering. Male dogs tend to have shorter lifespans than females, and neutering is one of the most impactful interventions. It prevents testicular cancer and reduces risky behaviors like roaming, which can lead to fights, traffic accidents, or disease. Neutered males often live calmer, safer, and longer lives. It's not just about avoiding puppies, it's about improving quality of life. Heat cycles and spaying. Female dogs experience heat cycles about twice a year, causing stress and hormonal changes. The cycle includes bloody discharge and increased flirtatious behavior, attracting unwanted male attention. Females in heat may even escape to seek mates. For many owners, managing a dog in heat can feel overwhelming and stressful. Spaying eliminates all these issues by removing the ovaries and uterus. It prevents the anxiety, discharge, and unwanted pregnancies while reducing risks of mammary cancer and uterine infections. This simple procedure not only improves comfort, but also drastically improves long-term health. Male and female dogs differ in parenting and physical traits shaped by evolution. These differences highlight how survival strategies split between the sexes. Parental roles. Male dogs usually show little interest in raising pups. Unlike wolves, domestic males are generally absent fathers whose role ends after mating. Females, however, are primary caregivers, guarding, nursing, and protecting their pups with fierce devotion. Maternal instinct is vital for survival and early development. This nurturing instinct is so strong that some females will even care for orphaned puppies not their own. Paw preference. Here's a fun fact. Female dogs are more likely to be right-pawed than males. Just like humans being left or right-handed, dogs show paw preference when performing tasks. This hints at neurological differences between the sexes, adding another layer to canine cognition. It may seem minor, but these small neurological quirks reveal just how complex our pets really are. Size differences. One of the most visible differences is size. Male dogs are generally larger, with testosterone driving bigger chests, larger heads, and increased muscle mass. This creates a more robust, imposing stature, a classic example of sexual dimorphism. This size difference can affect everything from exercise needs to training approaches, as larger males often require more consistent guidance. Male dogs often face unique challenges in adoption. They are harder to adopt and spend more time in shelters than females. Their tendency to roam often leads to them being picked up as strays, and perceptions of dominance or aggression can deter adopters. Sadly, many perfectly adoptable males are overlooked simply because of stereotypes. Despite this, male dogs are just as loving, loyal, and playful as females. With proper training and care, they make incredible companions, offering boundless affection and strong bonds. Adopting a male dog gives a deserving animal a second chance and brings immense joy. By choosing to adopt a male, you may literally be saving a life and gaining a best friend. And there you have it, the surprising differences between male and female dogs. From bonding quirks to health factors, parenting instincts to adoption challenges, both sexes bring unique qualities to the table. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into your dog's world. And before you go, check the description below for product links and helpful resources you might love for your pup.